There we go, we are connected. So you. Right, then here's what we're going to do. We're going to count you down from 5. Everyone's going to count with you. At the end of 5, you're going to pull the lever. The logboat horn's going to sound, and we're going to sail off to the Caribbean. You ready? All right. Are you guys